When it comes to Jeeps and security, there's one name that's synonymous, and that's Tuffy. We've used Tuffy throughout the years on various builds, our own stuff, items for customers, and once again we are going to add some Tuffy products to this Gladiator. They've got the rear under seat lockbox that we're going to install. Obviously we use our Jeep, so we're going to have to pull the factory plastic one out and get all the junk that's in there now cleaned out, but it will give us a locking option for those times that we may be running around with the top off and we want to keep things that we don't want to lug around safe and secure. So we're going to get that installed here, and then we're also going to put in the front console one of their locking safes. Again, for the smaller items, if there's something that you just want to tuck in there, you've got the peace of mind walking away from your Jeep if the top is off and you've got it secured and locked in place. So we're going to put those things on. We'll show you how they go together. This back seat is probably going to take as much time to clean this out and get the back one out as it will to put the new one in. It's going to be an easy process, but we'll walk you through it and show you how it goes. First things first, we need to clear all the clutter out from under the seat. As we know, these storage areas get to be exactly that, clutter areas, so we got to clean this factory tray out of here, get all of our junk out so we can remove this one, and we definitely got some cleanup to do before we can put that other one in. Like we said, the first thing that has to happen, this tray has to come out. The vehicle does come with this little kit that is basically what you need to take the hardware out to get the top off. But inside of it is a Torx head and this ratchet, and that actually fits in here to remove these bolts here. That's it. With those 4 bolts removed, now all we got to do is take this thing out and do our housekeeping. Doesn't pop. Now we just need to open it up so we can access the mounting area, and it's going to consist of 4 washers, 4 lock washers, and 4 bolts. That'll be easy. Now we just got to set it in, bolt it down. These washers have to go down first to set in between that base and the underseat lockbox. First step on the installation process is putting these 4 flat washers. Crap, I just dropped one down there. Gonna need a magnet. And with the help of a magnet, we're back in business. Now that we've got the box setting in here, it is setting on top of the 4 washers that we placed on top of the factory brackets. We've got a couple Torx head bolts, lock washers, and an extension. Gives us quick access to get these things locked in. Alright, I'll move to that other side and get those locked in, and that's basically all it takes to get this underseat rear lockbox from Tuffy installed and give you a good place to secure any items that, should you have your top off or the doors off and you want to walk away with peace of mind, right there, it's that simple. There it is.
You got stickers. Don't lose your stickers.
No way.